feel the heat just starting to affect my car. As I was driving, I started to feel the stress. I mean, I was just replaying the initial accident itself over and over in my head.
90 minutes to shut down cell 3.
Okay. What's your next? Sleep is next. What's your next? What's your next?
We were concerned about secondary explosions caused by highly flammable materials in the vehicle. My feelings about moving her a second time, it was a necessary evil, but, you know, we were in a dangerous position.
Man, okay? Was there anyone else in the car, man?
We got a fairly decent footage where we got a clear here from the one that's fully involved.
Put the gauze on her head.
Other victim is being treated in the corner of Belfry in Georgia.
Hey! She's from 30! We need you up here.
Yes, sir. On the show.
There's a bunch of officers who are actually plainclothes officers rendering assistance to the driver of the vehicle that had caused the accident.
425.